Welcome. Cats are remarkable creatures with unique ways of expressing their emotions and needs. As inherently clean and routine-oriented animals, sudden changes in their behavior or habits often signal that something deeper may be affecting them. Whether it's mental strain, physical discomfort, or environmental stress, understanding your cat's subtle cues can help you address their problems and restore their well-being. Let's explore some key signs your cat might be in distress and what they could mean. If your cat starts eliminating outside their litter box despite it being clean, this is a clear indication that something is wrong. Cats pride themselves on cleanliness, so such a shift in behavior points to underlying mental or physical discomfort. Emotional factors like sadness or stress might also manifest as a lack of interest in playing, avoiding attention, or becoming withdrawn. You know your cat best. Any change in their energy levels or habits is worth paying attention to. Stress can cause them to ignore beloved toys, sleep excessively, or stop interacting with you altogether. One of the most obvious signs of a problem is your cat neglecting their grooming. Cats are naturally meticulous about their coats, so if their fur becomes matted, greasy, or unkempt, it's a strong signal that something is wrong. This could be linked to depression or stress. Similarly, if your cat suddenly resists being touched or picked up, especially if they were previously receptive, it may indicate they're feeling uneasy or distressed. While some cats naturally prefer limited contact, a noticeable change in how they respond to touch suggests they may be troubled. Vocalization is another key indicator of distress. If your previously quiet cat starts meowing, yowling, or crying excessively, it's time to pay attention. Cats often use vocalizations to express fear, anxiety, or physical pain. This behavior is particularly concerning when combined with increased hiding or isolation. If your cat frequently seeks secluded spots like closets or under furniture, it's a sign they're feeling overwhelmed, unhappy, or worried. Your cat's body language can also reveal a lot about their emotional state. Look for signs such as crouching, dilated pupils, a tucked tail, or ears held back. When paired with a tendency to isolate themselves, these behaviors strongly suggest fear or discomfort. Cats communicate their unease in these subtle ways, and observing them closely can provide insight into their needs. Increased destructive behavior, such as scratching furniture more than usual or knocking over items, may indicate frustration, boredom, or environmental dissatisfaction. While occasional mischief is normal, a sudden spike in these actions often points to deeper issues that need addressing. Providing stimulating toys, playtime, or changes to their environment may help alleviate this stress. Restlessness can also be a sign of anxiety. If your cat begins pacing, has difficulty settling down, or seems constantly on edge, take note. When this restlessness is accompanied by loud vocalizations like yowling, it may indicate physical pain or significant emotional distress. Cats rely on routine and comfort, so disruptions in their behavior can be telling. Changes in eating habits are another red flag. A sudden loss of appetite might indicate stress, while overeating or persistent begging for food could stem from boredom or emotional upset. Abrupt shifts in diet-related behavior should always be discussed with a veterinarian to rule out underlying medical issues. By paying close attention to your cat's actions, vocalizations, and habits, you can better understand their emotional health and respond to their needs. Every small sign they give is a piece of the puzzle, helping you provide the love and care they need to thrive. Our topic is over now. Kindly make sure to subscribe to us for more updates.